I am Rakesh Umdi, HOD of Mathematics Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I will be discussing a very important chapter in Engineering Mathematics 1, that is vectors. In this session I will be covering introduction of the vectors, algebra of the vectors, projection of the vectors. Introduction. We have totally two types of quantities, a scalar and a vector. Scalar quantity which has only magnitude but not direction. For example, mass, volume, density, temperature, work, etc. Vector quantity is a quantity which has both magnitude as well as the direction. Example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, moment of the force. A vector is a directed line segment. The length of the segment is called as magnitude of the vector. The direction is indicated by the arrow joining the initial and the final points of the line segment. The vector AB, just we'll take one example. AB is a vector joining the initial point A and the final point B in the direction of AB is denoted as AB factor. The magnitude of the vector is denoted by, we have to write that vector in between two parallel lines. Now, types of the vector. Zero vector, or it is also called as null vector. A zero vector is one whose magnitude is zero but no definite direction associated with it. For example, ample of A is a point. AA, the vector AA is a zero vector. It means that is a point which is not having direction. Second type is unit vector. A vector of magnitude 1 unit is called as a unit vector. If A vector is a unit vector, it is also denoted by A cap. A cap means unit vector along the vector A in the direction vector A. That is vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. Now, let's understand that unit vector with one example. Here we have an example. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector A is equals to 5y minus j plus 2k. Now answer. They are given the vector A is equals to 5y minus j plus 2k. Now we know that the formula of unit vector A cap is equals to vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. We have vector A, but we don't have the magnitude of vector A. Now how to find out magnitude of vector A using the given vector? I'll tell you. Now magnitude of vector A is equals to under root square of coefficient of I plus square of coefficient of j plus square of coefficient of k, that is 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, that is equals to under root 5 square is 25 minus 1 square is obviously a plus 1 plus 2 square is 4. If I add these all three quantities, I'll get 30 under root. Now A cap is equals to the given vector divided by the magnitude of vector is root 30. This is the unit vector in the direction of the given vector. Now we'll discuss algebra of vectors like addition, subtraction, multiplication of the vectors. Now I'll be discussing algebra of vectors with some examples. Here we go. if vector A is equals to 3i plus 2j minus k and vector B is equals to 2i minus 3k, then find vector A plus B. Now here they are asking us to find out vector A plus vector B. Now vector A plus vector B is equals to the given vector A plus the given vector B. Here 2i is there but j term is missing. That's why what you have to do, you have to take it as 0j minus 3k as it is. Now we are going to add I term with I, j term with j term only, and k term with k term. 3i plus 2i, I'll open the bracket and I got this. 3i plus 2i is 5i. 2j plus 0j is again a 2j. Minus k minus 3k is minus 4k. Now we'll take one more example of subtraction. If vector A is equals to 5i minus 2j plus 3k and vector B is equals to 2i plus 4j minus k, then find magnitude of vector A minus vector B. Here they have asked one extra thing, that is not only vector A minus vector B, you have to find out magnitude of vector A minus vector B. Now let's take vector A minus vector B first. Vector A is the given vector A minus vector B. Vector A minus vector B is equals to, now I'll open the brackets, this as it is, minus I have to multiply with each and every element of vector B, minus 2i minus 4j and plus k it will become. 5i minus 2i is 3i, minus 2j minus 4j is minus 6j, and plus 3k plus 1k is 4k. We got vector A minus vector B, but they asked us to find out the magnitude as well. So magnitude of vector A minus vector B will be is equals to under root 3 square plus minus 6 square plus 4 square. That will give us 3 square is 9, minus 6 square is plus 36, 4 square is 16. If I add all these three quantities, I'll get 61. Under root 61 is the magnitude of vector A minus vector B. Let's study one more example. If vector A is equals to I plus 2j minus 3k, vector B is equals to 3i minus 4j plus 2k, find the magnitude of 3a vector minus 2b vector. Now here they are asked to find out magnitude of 3 times of vector A minus 2 times of vector B. Now let's take 3 vector A minus 2 vector B is equals to 3 times of vector A I have written minus 2 times of vector B I have written. Now 3 I should multiply with each and every quantity of this term. 3i, 3 2s are 6j, minus 3 3s are 9k, minus 2 into 3i is 6i, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10j, minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4k. Now we are going to add I term with I, j term with j, k term with k. 3i minus 6i is minus 3i, 6j plus 10j is 16j, minus 9k minus 4k is minus 13k. Now we have to find out the magnitude of this. So magnitude of 3 vector A minus 2 vector B will be is equals to under root coefficient of I, that is minus 3 square, plus coefficient of j 16 square, plus coefficient of k minus 13 square. Minus 3 square is 9, plus 16 square is 256, plus minus 13 square is plus 169. If I add these all three, I'll get square root of 434 is the magnitude of 3a vector minus 2b vector. Now we'll see the multiplication of vectors. In multiplication, we have two different types, that is a dot product and a cross product. Now, first we'll understand how to solve, how to find a dot product between two vectors. For that, we have one example. If vector A is equals to 2i plus 5j minus 6k and vector B is equals to 5i minus j plus 2k, then find vector A dot vector B. Vector A dot vector B will be is equals to this vector A dot vector B. Whenever there is a dot product, we should multiply only the coefficients of ijk's with ijk's of vector B respectively. Now 2 5s are 10, plus into minus minus, 5 1s are 5, minus into plus minus, 6 2s are 12. Just I have multiplied here the coefficients as well as the sign, that's it. I did not multiply ijk's. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 12 is minus 7. This will be the dot product between any two vectors. Now we'll move on to the next example, that is cross product. Find magnitude of vector A cross vector B if vector A and vector B are given. Now answer, how to find out. First I'll find out cross product, vector A cross vector B. If there is a cross product, we have to take the determinant. The first row should be by default I, j, k, and the second row should be the coefficients of I, j, k of vector A. 3, minus 2, 1. The third row should be the coefficients of I, j, k of vector B. 1, 3, minus 1. Now we know how to expand this determinant of order 3 into 3. We have to expand along this first row, usually I into minor of I, minus 2 1 3 minus 1, j into minor of j, 3 1 1 minus 1, k into minor of this k. I have written I into plus 2 minus 3 1s are 3 minus j into minus 3 minus 1 plus k into 3 3s are 9 plus minus 1 minus 2s are minus 2, hence it will become plus 2. Now I got here vector A cross vector B, that is 2 minus 3 is minus I, plus minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, minus 2 minus plus 4j, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 into k is 11k. Now magnitude of vector A cross vector B will be is equals to under root square of coefficient of I minus 1 square plus 4 square plus 11 square, that is square of minus 1 is plus 1, 4 square is 16, and 11 square is 121. If I add all these three quantities, I'll get 138. 138 is the magnitude of cross product of the given two vectors. Now we'll move on to the next part, that is projection of the vectors. We have here two formulae. First one is the projection of vector B on vector A is given by vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A. Similarly, the projection of vector A on vector B, if it is, then again same thing, vector A dot vector B, but divided by magnitude of vector B we have to take. Let's understand this concept by some examples. Here we have an example. Find the projection of vector B on vector A if vector A is equals to 5y plus 2j minus 4k and vector B is equals to 2i minus 5j plus 6k. Answer. Now we have to find out the projection of vector B on vector A. So I have to use the first formula. Now first I'll find out dot product between vector A and vector B. Vector A dot vector B will be equals to 5 2s are 10 plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10 minus into plus minus 4 6 are 24 plus 10 minus 10 will get cancelled, minus 24 will be the dot product of vector A and vector B. Now I have to find out magnitude of vector A, so I have to take only magnitude of vector A is equal to square root of 5 square plus 2 square plus minus 4 square. 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4 and minus 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 25 is 45. Under root 45 is magnitude of vector A. Now according to this formula I am going to substitute the values. Vector A dot vector B is minus 24 divided by magnitude of vector A is root 45. Minus 24 divided by root 45 is the projection of vector B on vector A. Here we have one more example. Find the projection of vector 2i plus 3j plus 2k on 4i plus 5j plus 3k. Projection of this on this we have to find out. Let's consider this as vector A and the second vector as vector B. It means that we have to find out the projection of vector A on vector B. We have formula for this, that is vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector B this time. Now let's find out first vector A dot vector B, that is vector A is this dot vector B. Just we know how to find out the dot product between two vectors. 2 4s are 8 plus into plus plus 3 5s are 15 plus into plus plus 2 3s are 6. If I add these three quantities I'll get 29. Magnitude of vector B will be, we have to find out the magnitude of vector B here. So magnitude of vector B will be square root of 4 square plus 5 square plus 3 square, that is under root 4 square is 16 plus 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. If I add all these three quantities I'll get root 50 will be the magnitude of vector B. Now according to this formula, the projection of vector A on vector B is vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector B. Vector A dot vector B is 29 divided by vector B is root 50.